Hey and welcome to Alpha One. Today is a Saturday and we will run our Alpha One trader. Let me just remove it there. So we will run this one for 30 minutes or so maybe. We are going for $100 basically. Also, if you like videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and any question, put them below the video. And if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you push that subscribe button also. You can also download the robot that I'm showing you in this video completely for free. Works worldwide. It's a free binary option robot. Okay? Use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link below the video. Also make sure you check out my free Forex signal group at Telegram. Link below the video to that also. So that, let's start up Alpha One Trader this Saturday. And just like that, $178 in matter of minutes. So if you want to run Alpha One Trader also, you can. You find a link below the video and you can download and start this robot today. So with that, have an amazing day.